Hello and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to show you how to crochet this beautiful moss stitch. This is just a scrap scarf that I'm working on, and I'm just using whatever leftovers I have. So we're going to start with the slip knot. This is how you make one, like so. Now you're gonna make some chains in a multiple of 2 plus 4. So for this example, I'm going to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I'm going to add my 4 extra chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever kind of size you want, just add some chains. And now we're going to insert hook in the 4th chain from the hook. So here's the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, and we're going to go in there and we're going to do 1 single crochet. So go there, grab a yarn over and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And now you're going to chain 1. And now we're going to skip this chain and insert hook in the next one and do 1 single crochet. And now repeat, chain 1, skip the next chain and insert hook in the next one and do 1 single crochet. And now we're just going to repeat this until the end of the row, chain 1, skip 1, and do 1 single crochet in the next one. Like so. Skip this one, go into that one, and do 1 single crochet. So, and now we have 2 chains left. Skip this one, insert in the hook in the next one, and do 1 single crochet. Now we're at the end of the row. It looks something like this. Chain 2, 1, 2. We're only going to chain 2 every time we are finished with one row. Now you see this little hole here. You're going to go into that one and do your single crochet. And now chain 1, and then skip this one and go into the next chain 1 space. It's easier to see after this row. Chain 1, and now skip this one and go into the next one, the next chain 1 space from the previous row. Chain 1 and skip 1. Here is the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and now we are at the end of the row, and this is where I had problems at the beginning, but you have to go here. You see the chain 2 from the previous row. You just go there, it's like a little space there, and then you do your single crochet. And now chain 2, 1 and 2, and turn your work. This counts as 1 single crochet plus the extra chain 1 that we're always making. Go into that one, that space here, and do your single crochet. So now you will see that it gets a little easier to see where to put your hook. That's the chain 1 space. The next one, chain 1, and here is the next one, chain 1, and then here, see, there is the last one. Let's go in there and do your stitch, chain 1 and turn, and now you can see that the stitch pattern is coming to shape. And then just yarn over with a new color, like so, and then do your chain 2, and then just continue. And you can weave in the ends here, so it stays put. You can make a knot here and then weave in the ends. that's it for the stitch tutorial. Yarn project here. This is just a scarf that I'm working on, and as you can see, it's very nice with this color change. This is different. These are different yarns, and this is how it's turning out. I'm going to show you when I'm done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and I wish you a nice day. Goodbye.